falling water on Earth. Several miles upriver, fisherman Josephat and his brothers are on a quieter stretch of the Zambezi and struggling.
I'm going to see the details. Bakamana, Ninjala Peru. The Chipe to Swab. Those in our very other Chipe now, the Chipe Subado, the Chipe that the set up on that.
It's the dry season. The river waters are so low, there are very few fish in its pools. Josephat knows the best places to find fish are where the water is fast flowing, where the current has driven the fish, leaving them with nowhere else to go. So he must embark on the most dangerous fishing trip in Africa, to the very edge of Victoria Falls. For two of Josephat's